Hi, I wanted to take a few minutes to explain the edible cell project. So this is the first of a couple of different projects that you'll be required to do throughout physiology. Normally, this would be a group project. However, since we are not allowed to group right now, we will do it on our own. I'm going to share the screen. Oops, that's not right, but that's okay. I will get there. The edible cell project is over here. There we are. So this is what is on your D2L. This is the Word document with the instructions. So this is going to change a little bit. The project itself is going to stay the same. So let me tell you what I want. I would like you to make an edible cell, which means that you have to have all of the parts of the cell. So you have to have something that represents the cell membrane, something that represents the cytoplasm, the nucleus, the endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosomes, etc. It's all listed here. But the key is it all has to be made of food. Now, it doesn't have to taste good together. Students always ask me, if we're going to eat it. Well, no, no. It just has to be made of food. So if you're putting together like Jell-O with beans and hot sauce or whatever it is that you're using, that's fine. It just all has to be food products, okay? Even the cell itself has to be a food. So you can't use a bowl, like a glass bowl, as your cell membrane. It has to be a food. So everything has to be edible. Okay, so here it lists what each cell has to have. Nucleus, nucleolus, smooth and rough ER, ribosomes, Golgi apparatus, centrioles. Remember I said we would talk about those in a little bit, but they have to be on the cell. Lysosomes and mitochondria. A cell membrane and cytoplasm are also required. Okay. Now you also have to have labels on each of these parts so I know what they are. In the past, students have made little paper labels with toothpicks. You could put little sticky notes with little labels on, whatever you want to do. The labels themselves do not have to be edible. Now, usually this is a group project, as I mentioned, so everybody gets points for participation. That's not going to happen this time. What I would like you to do is either take a short video of yourself making the cell or a picture of yourself making the cell, and you can send it to me either via the discussion board for chapters 3 and 4, or if you would like, you can also send it to me in an email if that's easier. My email is kapinson@hack.edu. kapinson@hack.edu. The project is due by Sunday night at 11:59 p.m., same as the quiz. So make sure that you do the edible cell project and send it to me by 11:59 on Sunday night. Okay? And if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email about the project specifically. You don't have to post that on the discussion board. Okay? I cannot wait to see these. And you know what? Kids love to do this too. So if you want to do it as a family project, that's totally fine with me.